Tonight, the CDC has declared Airway Heights public water supply safe to drink despite years of contamination from neighboring Fairchild Air Force Base. Just this afternoon, the agency released a final report detailing the extent of that contamination called PFAS-PFOA in the groundwater. It was discovered, if you recall, back in 2017. It was found to be a direct result of firefighting foam that was used for decades of training out at Fairchild. It forced the city to immediately cut off the water supply to all of its drinking wells. Since then, the city of Airway Heights has been buying public drinking water from the city of Spokane. Now, according to this report, levels of some PFAS in the blood of Airway Heights residents were up to 56 times higher than national levels. It also found longtime residents had more PFAS in their blood, and that for every year they had lived in Airway Heights, their levels got higher. Now, that included children who were breastfed or given formula made with tap water. Despite all of that, though, the CDC says the Airway Heights public drinking water supply currently meets or is below the EPA's advisory for PFAS. Now, just last month, the city announced it did secure $500,000 in state funding from the Department of Health to replace its city water system. We did reach out to the city manager today to find out if today's findings from the CDC will impact that project in any way, but we have not heard back. There will be a public meeting to answer some of those questions for people who live in Airway Heights. That is coming up later this month on March 23rd. For more information on how to register for that virtual meeting or to see some of our past CREM 2 investigations into this contamination, just text the word water to 509-448-2000 and we'll send those links directly to your phone.